Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all our hearts, saving money. But wait, we're not going to bore you with the same old tips. No, we're bringing you the art of saving, creative ways to build your savings. And I'm thrilled to be your guide on this money-saving adventure. Let's jump right in. Before we jump into the creative strategies, let's remind ourselves why saving money is so important. Whether it's for a dream vacation, buying your first home, or simply having financial security, having a healthy savings account can make all the difference. Segment 1. The Mindset Shift. To master the art of saving, we need to start with the right mindset. It's not about deprivation, but rather making conscious choices. So, tip number 1 is all about tracking your spending. Let's dig into those bank statements and see where we can cut back and redirect that money into savings. Segment 2. Automated Magic. Now, on to tip number 2, the power of automation. We're living in a digital age, so why not let technology work in our favor? We'll discuss setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Segment 3. The 30-day rule. Ever heard of the 30-day rule? It's tip number 3 and it's a game changer. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. If you still want it after that time, go for it. But you'd be surprised how many things we realize we can live without. Segment 4. The Savings Challenge. Now, let's have some fun with tip number 4, the Savings Challenge. We'll explore various challenges like the No Spend Week or the Envelope Challenge, where you allocate cash to different categories and stick to it. Segment 5. DIY Money-Saving Hacks. Get ready for tip number 5, where we tap into our creative sides with DIY money-saving hacks. From making your own cleaning supplies to repurposing items, we'll explore how creativity can save you a bundle. Segment 6. Side Hustles and Passion Projects. Tip number 6 is about boosting your income through side hustles or turning your passions into profits. We'll discuss freelance gigs, selling crafts online, and other creative ways to earn extra cash. Segment 7. Community and Accountability. Our last tip, tip number 7, is all about the power of community and accountability. We'll talk about forming savings groups with friends, where you share goals and progress. Having a support system can make the journey enjoyable and successful. And there you have it, the art of saving, creative ways to build your savings. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. With a little creativity and determination, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve your goals. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more money-savvy content. Until next time, stay savvy and keep saving.